for a victim. Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow. I never had no handouts, just came natural. I've been tested so much, all these restless nights, all these different situations that I've been through. I seen pain trying to creep in through the window, but now I'm sliding through the hood in a benzo. You gotta separate yourself just to elevate. I keep some drink in my cup to see through the hate. Sometimes on the road to glory, you gotta press the brakes. I got a lesson plan for all my past mistakes. I swear I'm proud of all my best and my worst days. Proud of all my feet when I touch the... Can you hold that? Yes, absolutely.
I know.
So we're here with Mike with his 1995 NSX. It looks like it has a kit on it. Is that right?
Has a Widebody Kit. It's a Route KS Madonna Widebody.
It looks really pretty. I was looking at the pictures. I was like, it doesn't look stock. Is it a Japanese kit?
It's a Japanese kit. I want to say maybe there's 10 kits out there.
Oh, wow.
And
so it's rare.
It is rare. It's discontinued. Yep.
Oh, wow. It's really pretty. It has a modern kind of 90s-ish feel to it.
I know.
I love it. So pretty. What else is done to it?
It's got the O2 headlights conversion. It's got the Stage 3 Amola Orange Pearl paint.
I love the paint. It's so good. And that's an OEM color?
It is an OEM color. It came
Okay.
on the 2002 through 2005 NSX.
Oh, okay. And so did this originally have pop-ups?
Originally had pop-ups.
Oh, okay.
So this is a 1995.
Got
and I
it.
swapped them out to the fix.
When did these come in? 2000?
2002
Got
through
it.
2005 were the fix headlights, and then 1991 through 2001 were the pop-up headlights.
Oh, okay. And then are those OEM mirrors? I don't know much about NSXs, but...
Oh, those are not OEM mirrors. Those are made from Pride, which are kind of like a replica of the Spoon
Oh, okay.
side mirrors.
They're cool. They flow so well with the kit and everything.
It does, yeah.
And then you got BBSs on here? LMs?
BBS LMs, yep.
And then, is that an upgraded brake kit?
Yes, it's a Futura design big brake kit.
Very cool. And same color as the car. I like that. Sets it off real well with the silver wheels.
Love the orange.
Looks so good. And then what's in the rear of it? Anything special like wing or?
Rear spoiler is backyard special. That's what it's called. And
I like that name. And then the diffuser comes with the kit, I assume. It's all one piece.
Diffuser is all one piece with the rear bumper. Yep.
Very nice. And then what suspension do you got on here?
Suspension is KW V3.
Oh, nice. And then it looks like you have a bunch of stuff done in the engine bay.
Engine bay is stock.
Oh, okay.
I do have a Science of Speed twin turbo kit
Ooh,
on it.
very nice.
And it's pushing 8 pounds, about 400 horsepower to the wheels, 315 foot-pound of torque.
That's a great power range. Like have that amount of power. You drive it often?
I try to.
Yeah. And is that a titanium strut bar in it?
It is a titanium Targa brace, yes.
Oh, okay. So what's the difference? Is it just because it's rear?
It's titanium, it's
Okay.
lighter, it looks cool.
Gotcha. And then custom, what would you call this? A cover or?
So that fabric is called Volkswagen Tartan Plaid.
Okay.
So you see that pattern often on like Volkswagens.
Oh, very cool. And then it continues into the interior?
Yeah. So I had the Recaros, the door panels, the floor mats, the glove box, all done in that same material. Sorry, it's a little dirty.
No, you're fine. It looks really good. And then what kind of steering wheel is that? A Mugen?
It's a Mugen steering wheel.
Very nice. And then what else? Is there anything else we're missing here?
That's pretty much it.
Can you pop the rear end so we can see the engine a little? Thank you. It's very clean. How long have you had it?
I've had this car for 20 years.
Oh, wow. Very long time. That's awesome. Don't get tired of it?
No, definitely.
I don't blame you. It's so pretty.
Thank you.
Fun to drive, I assume?
Very fun to drive, especially after doing the turbos.
Oh, yeah. When did you do the turbos?
About 2 years ago.
Oh, nice. Pretty reliable then?
Pretty reliable so
Nice.
far, yeah.
That's awesome. Well, if that's it, it's pretty much what we're going to do is just go around. I want to shoot over here before people show up.
Okay.
And then we'll be good. But until next time, if you guys don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.